Crash course on United Kingdom, UK, travel tips and itineraries. Welcome to a crash course on travel tips and itineraries for visiting the United Kingdom. Whether you're planning a short trip or a longer adventure, it's helpful to have practical advice, itinerary suggestions, and budget-friendly options to make the most of your time in this diverse country. Let's begin with some interesting stories and examples to excite you, followed by a list and description of the top 12 attractions in the United Kingdom. Finally, we'll summarize the information and conclude with a poem. When it comes to interesting stories, did you know that the Tower of London is home to the iconic crown jewels? These dazzling gems have a rich history and are guarded with great care. Another fascinating example is the Edinburgh Festival, which transforms Scotland's capital into a hub of cultural performances, including theatre, music, and dance. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions in the United Kingdom. 1. London. Start your journey in the vibrant capital city, home to iconic landmarks such as the Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum. 2. Edinburgh. Explore the historic streets of Scotland's capital, visit the stunning Edinburgh Castle, and hike up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views. 3. Stonehenge. Witness the mysterious stone circle in Wiltshire, England, and contemplate its ancient origins. 4. The Lake District. Immerse yourself in the picturesque landscapes of lakes, mountains, and charming villages that inspired famous poets like Wordsworth and Coleridge. 5. Bath. Discover the Roman baths and elegant Georgian architecture in this UNESCO World Heritage City. 6. York. Step back in time in the medieval city of York, where you can explore the magnificent York Minster and stroll along its ancient walls. 7. Stratford-upon-Avon. Pay homage to William Shakespeare in his birthplace, visit his family home, and watch a play at the Royal Shakespeare Theatre. 8. The Scottish Highlands. Experience the breathtaking landscapes, rugged mountains, and mysterious lochs that define Scotland's wild beauty. 9. The Giant's Causeway. Marvel at the fascinating hexagonal rock formations on the Northern Ireland coast and listen to the mythical tales that surround them. 10. Cambridge. Wander through the prestigious university city, admire the stunning architecture, and take a leisurely punt along the River Cam. 11. Liverpool. Explore the birthplace of the Beatles, visit the Beatles Story Museum, and soak in the vibrant music scene of this lively city. 12. The Jurassic Coast. Walk along the stunning coastline in Dorset and East Devon, discovering fossils, dramatic cliffs, and picturesque seaside towns. These attractions offer a taste of the United Kingdom's rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. Now, let's move on to some practical travel tips and itinerary suggestions. 1. Plan your itinerary. Prioritize the attractions you wish to visit and consider their locations to create an efficient travel plan. 2. Use public transportation. The UK has an extensive network of trains, buses, and underground systems that make it easy to get around. Consider purchasing a travel pass or card for discounted fares. 3. Check the weather. The weather in the UK can be unpredictable, so pack layers and be prepared for changing conditions. 4. Explore beyond the major cities. Don't limit your visit to London. Venture out to smaller towns and countryside areas to experience the true essence of the country. 5. Try local cuisine. Indulge in traditional dishes like fish and chips, afternoon tea, and hearty English breakfasts. Don't forget to sample regional specialties. 6. Visit free attractions. Many museums and galleries in the UK offer free admission, allowing you to immerse yourself in art and culture without breaking the bank. 7. Embrace the local customs. Be polite, queue patiently, and respect the cultural norms and etiquette of the places you visit. In summary, the United Kingdom offers a wealth of attractions, rich history, cultural experiences, and stunning landscapes. By following these travel tips and considering the suggested itinerary, you can make the most of your visit and create unforgettable memories. Now, let's celebrate the wonders of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom, a land to explore. with travel tips and itineraries galore. From London's grandeur to Edinburgh's grace. The Tower of London, a historic embrace. Stonehenge's mystery, a sight to behold. The Lake District's beauty, stories untold. Bath's Roman baths, a glimpse of the past. York's ancient walls, memories that last. Stratford-upon-Avon, Shakespeare's own. The Scottish Highlands, a wild beauty shown. Cambridge's elegance, the River Cambs flow. Liverpool's music scene, let the melodies grow. The Giant's Causeway, a geological feat. The Jurassic Coast, where cliffs and fossils meet. With practical tips, your journey begins. Navigate the UK, where adventure wins. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.